How to change display language in Amazon Prime Video application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your display language setting in Prime Video application. So first of all, open the Prime Video app on your device, and once you're inside the home page of Prime Video, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Stuff. Once you're inside the My Stuff tab, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Now this will open up the settings menu where you need to scroll down and look for language, tap on language, and then select a different language option from the menu. Choose the language you want to change to and click on Yes. This will refresh your application and you'll notice that your display language for Prime Video has changed. You can always repeat this step and get back to the language option and change to a different language of your preference whenever you need. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.